Hello friends, welcome to Stock Market Pulse. I'm Nitika. Let's check the pulse of the stock market. So as usual, we'll analyze the Nifty Bank chart today on Saturday and we'll share some important update also. So to know the Nifty Bank level for the next week, stay connected till then and smash the like button and subscribe the channel for regular stock market update and indices weekly levels and stock in news update, all about the stock market in one video. Stock market pulse. So first of all, let me share some important data. Came yesterday only. The inflation data came, and which is positive, and this is like CPI data for August. So August CPI data, CPI is at 2.07%. So 2.07%, let me discuss you that in last month, in July it was around 1.55%. It was there. MOM increase हुआ inflation. As you all know, I let me share that inflation का जो एक band है, the inflation band is like from 2% to 6%. It should be between this, and the good is at 4%. So our inflation was down. Even last month it went below the 2%. It was 1.55%, which is like not that, not good. We cannot consider it good. So this month it came to 2.07, which is positive. The market is definitely going to react on this on Monday. You have to watch this. 2.07% is quite good. Wanted to share you all that I have yesterday shared the video for the Infosys buyback news, which is very important you all to be aware about this. The Infosys has announced, the board has approved the buyback of 18,000 crore. It is first ever, biggest, largest buyback. You should go for that video. I'll give that video in link in I button also, and in description box also. Please check that video. It is short video, but the detail of news is there. At the 1800 per share, as the Infosys trading at 1500, so this is the 19% premium. All thing you should check there in that video. This the glimpse I have given here. And for the Infosys buyback, this is the stock in news for me for the last week. Infosys. Now let's quickly check the Nifty bank chart. We'll analyze and then we'll find out what could be the important level for the next week. So you can see on your screen that the Nifty bank chart is opened, and you can see I have drawn these 2 3 lines, which is very important to understand. On your screen you can see the chart. I have opened the chart. You can see the blue line is the 200 EMA, and this purple line, this is the 50 EMA. So this range you can see between the 200 EMA and the 50 EMA, which is looking very very crucial, very important for the resistance. I have drawn these line also here, exact on 50 EMA. This line you can see earlier was also a support here. Here it was support, and then if we say recent support, this was taking the support here again in this here. You can see 1 2 3 4, even whole week this week it has taken support at this line, which line is around 50 MA, and this level is 55 55,100. Earlier it was support, now it will become the resistance. And the earlier as the earlier support always become not a thumb rule, not a book rule, but yes, it can be a good resistance, which was earlier support. So you can see this support can again become the resistance, which is the 50 MA, which is the 55,100. To keep this level in your mind, 55,100, this level is in between this range, 55,100. If the Nifty bank is breaking in next week, it may go for the level of 56,100. From 55,100 to 56,100 will not take that much time, but breaking this level of 56,100 may take some time. So I'm talking about the short term for the week. Support may, I have already discussed this. Blue line is looking a very good support. As you can see here also, it was a resistance earlier, and here also you can see it was a resistance, then again broken, then this support. तो ये भी एक, you can see here, ये भी एक अच्छा support है. ये support लिया है that level of 53,900. I'm not giving 54,000. अगर psychologically if we see that this can be a 54,000 around, will be a good support, good support. But if we talk टेक्निकली और एग्जैक्टली अगर लेवल की बात करें तो दैट विल बी अ 53,900 विल बी अ important support, crucial support. Here you can see in recent time Nifty Bank went here, which was the 53,600 also. 53,600 पे जाके it has taken a support for the 3-4 days. One, two, here you can see on 28th of August, and then first, from 1st September to this day of 3rd, with the 3-4 day, it has 3 days, it has taken a good support at 53,600. I'm not feeling why I should break again this 200 EMA and go to this level. It may go, I can't deny with that, but yes, 53,600 is looking little tough for the next week. Short term, अगर यहाँ तक आता है, then we can talk about this. But next week के लिए I will not take this level of support of 53,600. अगर इसको break कर देता है next week में, तो you just be prepared for the 53,600. So be mindful with this level also, 53,600. But first you have to watch this 53,900. 54,000 is also a good support, but मैं exactly level बता रही हूँ जो कि exact हो सकता है 53,900 पे आके ये support ले ले. So these 3-4 level is very important. So you have to be mindful with the 2-3 level. First of all, if I talk about the support, my support is 53,900 to 54,000. But breaking 53,900 will take it to 53,600. That's why I'm discussing here 2-3 support, so that you will be aware of the next level if it's breaking this level. So these 2-3 level I have discussed. और अगर ऊपर ये जाता है, if it's going up, which the chances is high for going up, because as you all know, the inflation data came good. There is also expectation of rate cuts from the RBI also. Earlier it is expected from the Federal Reserve, then it may be expected from the RBI. तो एक rate cut का भी expectation market को है, which can make a good positive move for the market, Indian market. So I'm expecting that this inflation news, inflation data will take market to little bit upside. So I'm expecting this level to touch by Nifty Bank in next week only. Breaking this level can be a very good upside for the Nifty Bank till 56,100. So there is more chances, high chances for Nifty Bank to go up rather than go down. Baki, it depends, totally depends on the news, what the news coming in. You have to watch and you have to be aware with the news also. So support I have discussed 2-3 level, and resistance I have discussed of 55,100, and after breaking 55,100 can be 56,100. These 2-3 resistance is important, and these 2-3 support is also very important, which I have just mentioned. I will mention the levels again for you all to be mindful with this level. Important level of 53,900. Below that, one option can be 53,600 if it's breaking. Otherwise 53,900 to 54,000 roughly. At resistance पे अगर if we see the 55,100 and breaking 55,100, it will take it to 56,100. So I have analyzed in detail everything about the chart. I have mentioned the important level, what could be an important level for the week, and the inflation data I already discussed. Important video of the Infosys buyback and all the detail about this. Stock in news for last week, Infosys buyback news. I have given all the detail in that video. Please go definitely check that video also. And yes, I will repeat the Nifty bank level again. Important support is 53,900 to 54,000, and important resistance for the Nifty bank is 55,100. Breaking 55,100 will take it to 56,100 for the next week. So this was all about the important update of a stock market. Like and share the video and subscribe the channel for the stock market update, indices weekly level update, and stock and news update. Signing off.